Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your own custom shapes in Google Drawings and Google Slides. All you have to do is click, for you it'll show the line here. All you have to do is click the Polyline under the Lines drop-down menu. You click Polyline, and then it'll look like, your cursor is going to look like how it is when you draw any line. However, when you click, you'll see that you have a blue line following you, and when you click somewhere else, it'll create another control point, or at least that's what I call it, and the line will continue, and you can have infinitely many control points, and then you click back on the starting point exactly on top of it, and you're left with whatever wacky shape you made. Or, of course, it doesn't have to look like this. You could use this to trace on top of another image. Let me just get rid of this, and let me demonstrate something else. You can also make your own shaped lines. For example, maybe a simple zigzag, right? If I click on the endpoint directly on top of it, it turns into a line, and just like that, it's any plain old line. Just like the last one, the previous one that I made, this is just for a demonstration, it's also a regular shape. You can fill it, you can do line borders, you can change everything, and it's the same with this. This is a regular line. You can change its color. There isn't, oh, this is a shape, not even a line. Isn't that interesting? And you can also edit these lines and these shapes. For example, and here if I click line start, I can customize the beginnings and endings of the lines. I can turn them into different symbols. So I guess this kind of is a line, except you can fill it, which is very peculiar. And in the shapes, you can, if you double click it, you'll be able to drag around the control points again. You won't be able to add new ones though. And it's the same with this. You can drag the points everywhere, rearrange it a little. Maybe I can turn this into a regular shape again, I don't know. And that's really it. Thanks for watching.